So today let's talk about metals. Metals in your mouth. Is this good? Is this inert? Does this make problems or not? So in biological dentistry we have a very strong opinion about that, and this opinion is more than an opinion. It's just based on many scientifically reviewed studies which make the conclusion that metals in your mouth are really not a good idea. Actually, we can describe it as really dangerous. For example, in which cases are metals used in common dentistry? For example, crowns, even if they look like they are white, have often some core out of metal. So even if the crowns look like white, it might be possible that metal is under the crown. And in these metals often there is palladium inside, and this is one very toxic metal, for example. So another point where metals are often installed is implants. So normally, if you don't think biological and if your dentist does not think biological, they use titanium implants. This is also metal. So what about metal? What does it make in your mouth? Why don't we like metal to be in a healthy patient's mouth? So first of all, metals are metals, and they function as a little antenna. Antenna in our environment, in our cities, are really bad because they amplify the electromagnetic field around us. So just think about Wi-Fi or your mobile phones. We are completely filled up with electromagnetic fields, and metal in your mouth is like an amplifier. It amplifies the radiation about many hundred factors, and so this is a very dangerous thing in our new civilization, because we always have, in any place we have the strong electromagnetic fields. So another thing is that if you have metals in your mouth and you have different metals in your mouth, you have the effect of the battery. So what is the battery effect? It means that you have electricity between two metals, and this electricity also is a very bad thing, especially if it happens in your mouth near to your brain. Also, if you have many different, or at least two different metals in your mouth, you have the effect of corrosion. Corrosion means that the metal will dissolve a little bit and will give some parts of the metal free, but not free. It puts the parts of the metal, they go into your saliva, and the saliva you swallow. So this also is a way how small metal pieces, like atoms of metal, will pass through your mouth into your body, and there will be stored in your body and in the tissue. So this is what makes metal really dangerous and really not wishable in a healthy mouth. Today we have better alternatives than metals. For example, the one and only ceramic. So we have every question or every case which was solved by metal in the past, we can now, in the present and in the future, we can already in the right now, we can already fix them with ceramic solutions. There is no reason to need or to provide metal anymore. So the modern ceramics have high stability, they have high aesthetic, and they have really the best effect on your immune system. So this is the healthy alternative for metal. Ceramic is beautiful, ceramic is stable, and ceramic is healthy. So this is the new way to start biological dentistry, and this is what we can provide for you. Take out the metal and provide it with healthy white ceramic.